Now the fifth example. Now here this example is just similar like the previous one, but here we have to find out the perimeter of triangle also. So this is the figure and they are saying that find perimeter of question 1, the triangle ABE. Means we have to find out the perimeter of triangle ABE. Okay, then the perimeter of rectangle BCDE in this figure. Means here they have given the measurement of all the sides of this figure. We have to find out their perimeter, and after that we have to find it out that whose perimeter is greater, the perimeter of rectangle is greater or perimeter of triangle is greater. So first we have to find out their perimeter, then subtract the perimeter of both the figures, and then we have to decide that which one is greater. Okay, so first we will find out the perimeter of triangle ABE. Okay, perimeter of triangle ABE. Now some student they will thought, now again we have to find out, means we have to write the formula. No, because for triangle of perimeter there is no such a formula for that. So what we have, perimeter means what, addition of all the sides. So here the length of AB is, okay, so this is the triangle. Okay, just this is the triangle. We have to just see this now. Okay, so we have to add AB plus BE plus EA. Okay, so here we'll do the addition of the side AB plus BE plus EA. Okay, what is the length of AB? That is 5 upon 2 centimeter. Okay, plus then what is the length of BE? That is 3 upon 4, plus what is the length of EA? That is 3 by 5, 3 upon 5. Okay, so this is the length of all the sides. Now we have to do their addition, but we can't do it because two sides in the form of mixed fractions. So what we have to do first, we have to change them into a improper fraction, and then after that again we have to make their denominator same, and then we can solve. Okay, so here I will directly do it. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, so 11 by 4. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 by 5. Okay, so here we got the answer, and now we have to make their denominators equal. Okay, so how we can make their denominator equal? We have to find out their LCM. So here I will write LCM of 2, 4 and 5. Okay, so here I'll do it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, and 5 as it is because we can't divide with the 2. Okay, so here 2 2s are 1. Okay, 5 as it is again. 5 1s are 5. So here we got the numbers. Now here also I'll do the directly multiplication, so we'll get that which one are be common denominators. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, 4 5s are 20. Okay, so 20 will be our denominator for the triangle. So here first fraction is 5 2s are 5 upon 2. Okay, which number I will multiply with this 2? I will get 20, that is 10. Okay, 5 multiply by 10, 2 multiply by 10 is equal to 5 10s are 50. 2 10s are 20. So here we got the first fraction. Second fraction is our 11 by 4. Okay, which number I will multiply with the 4? So I will get 20. So 4 के टेबल में ऐसा कौन सा नंबर लेंगे तो हमको 20 मिलेगा, that is 5 only. Okay, so 11 multiply by 5, 4 multiply by 5, 11 5s are 55, 4 5s are 20. Okay, now second fraction is our 18 अपॉन 5. ओके, अगेन 5 को किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी तो मेरा 20 आएगा, दैट इज 4 ओनली बिकॉज 5 4s are 20. 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 एंड 5 multiply by 4, 18 4s are, that is 72. See students, when you are doing multiplication and division, your table, you should know the table very well. If you don't know, so it will be very difficult for you to do the multiplication and division. If you are not good at the table, so just start to learn the tables. Okay, so you can use the different methods to learn the tables. You should not go to the traditional way because that take much time. Okay, so but still without paper means without using paper pen you can do the means you can say the table, and you should know the table very quickly when you are doing the multiplication and division. So 18 fours are 72, 5 fours are 20. So here we got all the fractions where their denominators are same. Now let's just add them together. Okay, so 50 upon 20 plus 55 upon 20 plus 72 upon 20. Okay, so I'll take here common denominator. Okay, so here let's do the addition of all this. Okay, so here I'll directly do it. Here the ones place 2 and 5, that is 7. Okay, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. So here we got the answer, that is 177 upon 20. So this is the therefore perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to 177 upon 20. Okay, now this answer we need in the second step. Okay, last step of the last step of this question, when we have to compare that which one is the greater one. Okay, so first part we have done over here. Now we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Now the second part of this question where we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, same method you have to follow when we have solved the previous question. Okay, perimeter of rectangle BCDE, length is 2 3 upon 4. Okay, that is mixed fraction, so we have to convert it into improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4. So here we got the fraction, and B is already in the form of the fraction. Okay, so here two fractions are there where their denominators are different, so we have to find out the which one is the denominator. So LCM of 6 and 4, that 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 2, again 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. So here we got the number 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So our denominator should be 12. Now here our first fraction is 11 by 4. Which number I will multiply with the 4? So I will get 12, that is 3 only. 4 3s are 12, and here so 11 3s are 33 and 4 3s are 12. Again, now which number I will multiply with the 6? So I will get 12, that is 2 only. So 6 2s are 6 multiplied by 2, 7 multiplied by 2, 7 2s are 14, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so here we got the fraction. Now we are having the formula of the perimeter of the rectangle, that is 2 multiplied by in bracket L plus B. What is the L length we got? C. When we are doing the addition, make sure their denominator should be common. So here we made their denominator common. Now we can do their addition. So 13 multiplied by 12 13 upon 33 upon 12 and 14 upon 12. Okay, so let's do their addition. So 33 plus 14, here we got the 47. Okay, 47 by 12. Okay, so here we got the answer, that is 12. Okay, so 12, our denominator is 12. Now next step is what we have to do. We have learned in the previous question. Now the whole number is there, 2 multiplied by 47 upon 12 is there. So make sure to do the multiplication, you have to write the whole number in the form of fractions. So here we got the answer, that is 47 divided by 12. Okay, so here when you just see the जहाँ भी क्रॉस होता है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ओके, क्रॉस में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, या नीचे ऊपर हो तो डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, पर सामने सामने डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. सो 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. ओके, सो हियर वी गॉट द नंबर्स, दैट इज 47. 47 1s are, अभी सामने सामने उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 47 के सामने 1 है तो हमें 47 1s are 47, 6 1s are 6. So here we got the perimeter of rectangle BCDE, that is 47 upon 6. Okay, and here now we got the perimeter of both the figures. Now we have to decide that which one is the greater one. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle BCDE, that is 47 upon 6. Okay, now here we are having perimeter of triangle ABE 177 upon 20, and perimeter of BCDE is 47 upon 6. Now student, we have to decide that which one is greater. So for that also we have to, means comparison, we have to do it. When we are doing the comparison, what we have to do? We have to make their denominator again equal. So that is the third step. Okay, so in this question we have to do 3 steps, okay, to get the answer. Now the third step, what we have to do? We have to make their denominator equal. So perimeter of triangle AB is 177 upon 20. Perimeter of rectangle BCD is, that is 47 upon 6. Okay, so here we have to, here two different fractions are there, their denominators are different, 20 and 6. So let's just find out the LCM of 20 and 6. Okay, so 2 tens are 20, okay, and 2 threes are 6. Okay, after that again divide the 10 and 3 with the 2. 3 we can't divide with the 2, so 2 5s are 10. So here 3 write as it is. 5 1s are 5. Okay, 3 we can't divide, 3 1s are 3. हमें LCM कब तक फाइंड करना है? जब तक हमारा जो क्वोशंट 1 नहीं आ जाता. ओके, तब तक करना है. सो वी गॉट द नंबर्स 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So our denominator should be 60. Okay, so here we are having 177 20. Which number I will multiply with the 20? So I will get 60, that is 3. Okay, so 23s are 60. Okay, 177 multiplied by 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21 plus 2, 23. Okay, 3 ones are 3 and 5. So here we got the answer 531. So this fraction is for the 171 and this is for the triangle of ABE. So this is the final fraction. Okay, that is the final perimeter. So we can decide from this one which one is the greater. So here 6 को मैं किस number के साथ multiply करूँगी तो मुझे 60 मिलेगा. That is 10 only, because 6 tens are 60. Okay, so 47 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 10. Okay, so here 60, 6 tens are 60, 47, 6 sevens are 42, 6 fours are 24, 24 plus 4, 28. So here we got 280, 40. Here we have taken 10 na? Sorry student, sorry, extremely sorry about it. Okay, so for here, so we are not supposed to do this. So 47 into 10 is equal to 470. So here we got the perimeter of rectangle BCDE also, that is first triangle का perimeter, then 531 upon 60, and then perimeter of rectangle 470 upon 60. Okay, so here denominators are same. Now from the numerator we have to decide the which fraction is there whose numerator is greater, that is the triangle of ABE. So we can say this perimeter of triangle is greater than, so the perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than perimeter of rectangle BCDE. So here we have finished this question. So let's start to solve the next question. Now question number 6. Sixth question is also similar like the previous one. Here the question is Salil wants to put a picture. The picture is 3/5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 3/10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trim? मतलब इनका क्या कहना है, सलील के पास एक पिक्चर है जिसकी जो विड्थ है, जो उसकी ये है विड्थ, ओके, ऐसे है. तो ये विड्थ जो है ये वाली साइड, ओके, वो कितनी है 7 3/5. ओके, एंड ही वांट्स टू फिट दैट पिक्चर इनटू द फ्रेम. ओके, सपोज दिस इज द फ्रेम विच इज द स्मॉलर देन द दिस वन. ओके, एंड दे वांट्स दैट, okay, and to this picture he wants to fit into this frame. Okay, and the width of this frame is that is 7 3/10 इतनी ही है, इतनी है। तो अगर ये पिक्चर इसमें बिठानी है तो कितना मुझे ये ट्रिम करना पड़ेगा, मतलब कट करना पड़ेगा, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट। अगेन हियर mixed fractions are there, means we have to convert it into improper fraction, then their denominators are different, again we have to make their denominator same, and then we have to decide that how much picture should be cut or trimmed to fit into this frame. Okay, so let's just find it out. Width of the picture is what is the width? That is 7 3/5. Okay, what is the width of the frame? Width of the frame and that is required width असतो, रिक्वायर्ड मतलब उतनी ही चाहिए उसकी। अभी हम इसको तो ट्रिम कर, पिक्चर को ट्रिम कर सकते हैं, फ्रेम को ट्रिम कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं। सो दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड विड्थ इज दैट इज 7 3/10 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, सो लेट जस्ट कन्वर्ट देम इनटू अ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन फर्स्ट एंड देन लेट्स, एंड हियर ट्रिम मतलब कम कर रहे हैं, मतलब हम दोनों को क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, कम कर रहे हैं, मतलब जो भी आंसर आएगा हम उनको क्या करेंगे, आफ्टर मेकिंग द डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल वी आर गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट बोथ द फ्रैक्शन एंड वट एवर द आंसर विल कम फ्रॉम देयर वी कैन डिसाइड दैट मच width should be trimmed. Okay, so here we have to convert 5 multiplied by 7 plus 3, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 3 that is 38. What is the denominator? Right as it is. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 10 plus 3, 7 tens are 70, 70 plus 3 73/10. So here we got the two fraction, that is 38/5 and 73/10. So here both denominators are different. Okay, denominators are different, and this is the picture should be trimmed. ओके, बट यहाँ पे हमको सब्ट्रैक्शन करना पड़ेगा, और सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के लिए हमें पता है कि डिनोमिनेटर सेम होना चाहिए, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों का एलसीएम फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे। ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैं लिखती हूँ एलसीएम ऑफ 5 and 10. ओके, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. ओके, 10 1s are 10, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2. So here we got the LCM of 5 and 10 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. जो भी हमारा डिनोमिनेटर होगा 10 होगा। अब एक फ्रैक्शन में ऑलरेडी हमारे एक फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, 10 है। सो देयर इज नो नीड टू चेंज दिस फ्रैक्शन, यू हैव टू कीप एज इट इज बिकॉज ऑलरेडी 10 इज देयर। सो विच फ्रैक्शन यू हैव टू चेंज, दैट इज दिस फ्रैक्शन, एंड दिस फ्रैक्शन वी गॉट फ्रॉम द विड्थ ऑफ द पिक्चर। सो उसको हमको चेंज करना पड़ेगा। सो 30/5. So which number I will multiply with the 5? So I will get 10, that is 2. Okay, 5 2s are 10. So 38 multiplied by 2 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2. So 5 2s are 10 and 38 multiplied by 2 is equal to 76. Okay, students, you can do it in your notebook in the corner. Okay, so here we got the answer, that is 76/10. So let's just do the subtraction. Okay, so I'll just rub this question, so here I can do it. Okay, so our first fraction, that is 76/10, and second, what was our second fraction, that is 73/10. So let's just do the subtraction. 76 minus 73/10. Okay, so here we got the answer, that is 3/10. So our answer will be 3/10 centimeter width of the picture should be trimmed. Okay, so here we solved the one question. Now question number 7 and 8 we are going to, let's start solve the question number 7. Okay, now student, if if you feel that I did not understand this, so just note down this question in your notebook. Whenever will be our doubt clearing session, that time you are going to ask that which question you didn't understood. Okay, so there is no need to send the message in the feedback box to your class teacher that I did not understand this. So it is better that you have to, means now you know that how we are clearing our doubts. Okay, if you have any means doubt, so you have to ask in the doubt clearing session only. Okay, so let's solve the next example. So the question number 7 is, Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple and remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share by how much? Okay, so there was one apple. Okay, so that apple is cut it into five equal parts. Okay, so out of 5, Ritu ate 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts she eaten. Okay, she, that 3 by 5 eaten, that part is eaten by Ritu. Okay, the out means the whatever the remaining parts are there, that we have to find out, and that parts is eaten by Somu. तो यहाँ पे एक एप्पल है, उसको 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में कट किया, उसमें से 3 किसने खा लिए? ऋतु ने खा लिए। तो बचा हुआ किसने खाया? सोमू ने खाया। पर कितना खाया? तो उसके बाद कितना खाया, सोमू का निकालने के बाद हमको डिसाइड करना है कि किसने ज़्यादा खाया और कितना ज़्यादा खाया। ओके, सो द पार्ट ऑफ एप्पल बाय ऋतु एट, दैट इज 3/5. देयर इज एन 1 एप्पल. ओके, सो हियर 1 एप्पल. अब हम सीधा लिख सकते थे कि डायरेक्टली हम इसको क्या कर देते हैं 3/5 से, पर हमें क्या चाहिए? वो फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में चाहिए. दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू शो इट. ओके, सो कितना सिंपल है. 3/5 में से उसने 3 पार्ट खा लिए तो 2 ही रह गए. As simple as that, but still we have to show it. How we are going to show? Let's see. Somu ate, there was 1 apple. Okay, so इस 1 apple में से हमें 3/5 पार्ट क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, जो ऋतु ने खाया है. तो ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तब जाके हमको मिलेगा कि सोमू ने कितना पार्ट खाया है एप्पल का. सो हियर 5 1 जा 5 एंड -3. सो हियर 5 1 जा 5, 5 - 3 is equal to 2/5. Okay, so we got the fraction that is 2/5. So Somu ate 2/5 apple. Okay, apple. Okay, so and Ritu ate 3/5. So इसमें से now 2/5 and 3/5. Now we have to compare. Here denominators are same, and so we have to decide from the numerator which numerator is greater, that is 3. So here 3/5 part is more than the 2/5. So who ate 3/5 part? So we can decide that 3/5 part of apple eaten more by Ritu. Okay, so we have solved this question. Now question number 8 is for the homework. I will tell you how to do it. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so I'm going to write the question number 8 on the blackboard. I will tell you how to do it, and then just you have to solve it yourself in the notebook. Now question number 8 is, Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 hours. Who worked larger? By what fraction was it longer? So यहाँ पे 2 बच्चे हैं, माइकल और वैभव. So पिक्चर कलर किया है, माइकल को लगा है 7/12 hours and वैभव को लगा है 3/4 hours for the same picture. Now we have to decide that who took the more time to color the same picture. Okay, and how much? So here you can see this example is like a previous one. यहाँ पे दोनों फ्रैक्शन दिए हैं. यहाँ पे अब हमको कंपैरिजन करना है कि किसने ज़्यादा किया किसने कम किया. तो हमको क्या करना है? वी हैव टू मेक देयर डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल. ओके, सो पहले माइकल का ले लो 7/12. ओके, उसको फिर क्या करो, और फिर बाद में है 3/4. सो हियर मेक देयर डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल टू कंपेयर दैट हु वर्कड मोर. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट you will get the same denominator. From their numerator you just decide that which fraction is greater, and that fraction of that student means that person is more timing, means that person take more timing to color that picture. Okay, I hope you have understood. मैंने क्या बताया है कि ये 2 फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर सेम कर लो. डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने के बाद आपको न्यूमरेटर से पता चल जाएगा. सी, जो भी आप नंबर लोगे इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए, ये, ओके। सेम नंबर तुमको इसमें भी लेना है, मल्टीप्लाई करने के न्यूमरेटर के साथ भी एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करना है। 12 और 4 का एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करो, उसके बाद उसका जो भी नंबर आएगा एलसीएम का वो तुम्हारा डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा। उसके बाद आपको आफ्टर मेकिंग योर डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल फ्रॉम देयर न्यूमरेटर यू हैव टू डिसाइड, ओके। आपका जो भी न्यूमरेटर सबसे बड़ा होगा उसका टाइमिंग सबसे ज़्यादा, वो टाइमिंग किस फ्रैक्शन का आ रहा है वो फ्रैक्शन, अगर इस फ्रैक्शन का टाइमिंग ज़्यादा आ रहा है तो ये माइकल ज़्यादा टाइम लेगा। अगर इस फ्रैक्शन का आपका टाइमिंग ज़्यादा आ रहा है तो आप बोलोगे कि वैभव का टाइमिंग ज़्यादा होगा। If you have a still after attending this session, if you have a doubt, so write it down in your notebook that which question you didn't understood, so you will ask in the doubt clearing session, okay. And whatever the question I have given as a homework, okay, so this question number 8 is also for the homework. Do it in your notebook, it is very important. Don't wait for me. See, I will give you the answer key of all of this exercise, but still I will not give you the for the in the next session I will not give you after 4-5 days. Still you have to do it yourself as a practice. If you will not do it, so you will not do the practice more of this lesson, okay. If you are getting answer wrong, let it be, don't worry, okay. Don't get panic that I'm not understanding because my answers are getting wrong. Don't do that, don't feel that, okay. Just do it, do the practice, attend the session, repeat the session again and again, okay. So we will see the next concept of this lesson in the next session.